Hello, today we will guide you through how to open a Fusion Markets account. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and clear so you can get set up with confidence. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to complete the basic sign up for a demo account. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the official Fusion Markets website. For the best experience, use an up-to-date browser and type the address directly into the address bar. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the authentic site by checking for a secure connection in the browser, such as the lock icon next to the URL. This helps ensure you're entering information only where you intend to. Once the homepage loads, look for the Create an Account button. It's typically easy to spot, often at the top of the page. Click it to begin. This takes you to the sign up area where you can start setting up access. If you're new and just want to practice or familiarize yourself with the platform, you'll be signing up for a demo, which is a great way to learn without using real funds. On the sign-up form, enter your basic login information for the demo account. Use an email address you can access easily and create a strong, unique password that you don't use elsewhere. Take your time to type details accurately and review any on-screen notes so the form submits smoothly. If there are checkboxes for terms or policies, read them and acknowledge as required before continuing. If you prefer a faster route, you can choose to sign up with Google. Clicking the Google option will redirect you to confirm which Google account you want to use and to grant the standard permissions for sign-in. Select the correct account, approve the prompt, and you'll be brought back to Fusion Markets automatically. This option can reduce the number of fields you need to fill out manually. From here, simply follow the on-screen procedure. The site will guide you through any remaining confirmations and required fields. Keep an eye out for helpful messages at the top or bottom of the form, and make sure everything is complete before moving forward. If a page doesn't load or a button seems unresponsive, refresh the page or try a different browser tab, then continue. That's it. You've navigated to the website, clicked Create an Account, entered your demo details or used Google to sign up, and followed the on-screen prompts. You're now ready to proceed with your Fusion Markets journey.